This is Katrina doing work. Are you just gonna stay like that?
What, did you take a picture?
I'm recording.
Oh, that's not cool. I thought you were taking a picture.
Let's observe some people outside, even though they're like nobody out there. Oh, wait, there's a lady over yonder. Over there in the corner. Hey, that lady left. Wait, did you see those guys today?
Yeah, they came in the library again.
I didn't see them. Why'd you put them out?
Everyone was like, hey, look who's doing it.
That's good for you expressing of those men. This is good for you. Time for you to do whatever this is.
You're giving me a headache. No.
Okay, well, your pencil. You shouldn't have a pencil.
My blue pencil went missing. Oh.
Jacob took it. Ooh, there's a stud. Everybody look up a stud.
He's a little...
I don't know where I'm going. Karina's nice. She critiques people.
Thank you. I did my best, actually.
My fingers. That's weird.